Hey everyone, it's Laura here from makingcardsissun.com and welcome to another card making video tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make an adorable beach scene with pattern paper and stems from Sunny Studio. Let's get started. I'm starting out with my Misty tool, a piece of Neenah Solar White 110-pound cardstock and Memento Tuxedo black ink. I stamped some images from different stamp sets from Sunny Studio, including the Coastal Cuties stamp set, the Sending Sunshine stamp set, the Fabulous Flamingos stamp set, and the Beach Babies stamp set. So these are quite a few sets and they work beautifully together. Of course, you don't need them all, but I ordered quite a few of this release and I just love combining them. I'm coloring my images using Copic sketch markers. For the pink, I am using RV14, RV13, and RV11. For the yellow, I used Y19, Y18, and Y13. I decided to go with really fun and bright and summer-inspired colors for this card, since these colors also match the paper pad that I'll be using later in the video perfectly. To color this palm tree, I am using YG67, YG17, and YG23. I'm also going to use E57, E55, and E53. There you go. So now that I colored that part, it's time to color the rest of this little girl. For her skin, I'm using E53, E51, and E50. I like to use different shades to color skins. I've also colored some more darker skin tones in the past. I've also colored lighter skin tones. For now, I decided to go with this color. For her hair, I'm using E27, E57, and E55. And I'm using a flicking motion with my Copic marker to create a realistic and kind of highlight looking effect. To color the sandcastle, I'm using E55, E53, and E51. And then I'll be using some darker shades of brown to add some detail to the sandcastle. So for the top of the sandcastle, I am also for those little windows and the door, I'm using some darker shades of brown. So after coloring all of these images, I decided I wanted to add some more pops of color. So I stamped these flowers from the Fabulous Flamingos stamp set from Sunny Studio on some Neenah Solar White cardstock. I also stamped this tropical bird from the Sending Sunshine stamp set from Sunny Studio. And I am coloring it with all of the shades that I've used previously in this video, but I'm also going to add some N4 and N2 to add some dark gray details to this bird. For the reds, I'm using R29, R24, and R22. And then for his little wing, I am using Y19, Y18, and Y13. For the feather that is hanging off over there, I used the pink, the orange, and the yellow shades that I've previously used in this video. Next, I'm going to create my beach scene using some Neenah Desert Storm cardstock and a beautiful piece of pattern paper from the Summer Splash paper pad from Sunny Studio. I just love this wave design. I think it's awesome. It's quick and easy since you don't have to do any ink blending or stenciling or masking yourself. You just take your paper pad, trim it down, and that's it. So after adhering these two pieces, I ran it through my die cutting machine using one of the rectangle dies from the large stitched rectangle zacket set from Fawn. Then I'm going to add some spots to the sand to make it look a little bit more realistic, and I used an E53 Copic marker to do so. For my sentiment, I combined different sentiment stamps from the Beach Baby stamp set and from the Sending Sunshine stamp set from Sunny Studio. I went ahead and stamped my sentiment with Memento Tuxedo black ink, and finally I'm going to assemble this cute little beach scene. I'm using foam adhesive, and I'm also using a Tonic Nuvo Smooth Precision adhesive glue pen to adhere some of the smaller images. And then for this little girl over here, I decided to double up the foam adhesive to really make her pop and stand out. I'm going to adhere a piece of pattern paper from the Summer Splash paper pad on a Neenah Solar White card that I cut to 4 1/4 inch by 5 1/2. So this is a standard size US note card. Next, I'm adhering my little beach scene on a piece of white cardstock using some foam tape from Scotch. This is the Scotch mounting tape, I believe. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of sparkle and dimension to this card, since that's just what I usually do whenever I finish up a card. I'm using a Spectrum Noir shimmer pen and of course a coat of Tonic Nuvo Crystal Glaze. So there you go, that finishes up this card. Thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to receive notifications whenever I upload a new video. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.